We've got this picture frame we're going to take apart, take the glass out. Now we're going to paint the frame white, the whole frame, and then let it dry really well. You want to make sure that it's good and dry before the next step. Make sure you paint the insides, all the corners and that kind of stuff of your frame if you decide to try this. You want all the parts to be white. Okay, now we've got some Elmer's glue that we're going to put on a good coat, not all overly thick, but a pretty good coat on the whole frame. I put it on the outside, the top, and the inside. Now we're going to paint the whole frame with red. You want to try not to go over your glue too much. We painted it all red. And it's okay that it's not real solid, guys, because now we're going to dry it. We're going to dry it really well. And as you dry, if you'll watch, you'll see. I sped this up and cut some parts out so it wouldn't be so long, but you'll see how it crackles. That's what we're doing, is a crackle paint. So the red is on the top and it shows the white through. It's awesome. Awesome thing. Okay, now we're going to take the back part of the frame and we're going to decide which part of this piece of rice paper we want to cut out. Then I'm going to draw me a line. Okay, and then we'll just cut it out. And this is rice paper, so it's a little easier to work with than a napkin or something. So then we're going to glue it with Mod Podge to the back part that we cut out with. This is just the front side of it. And I did not paint it white, guys, because I liked kind of having the deeper look, because this is kind of vintage looking already. I'm using a piece of plastic to smooth it out. Then I'm just cutting off the excess. Okay, and then again, I'm going to just smooth it out and I'm going to let it dry good. And then I'm putting it back in the frame. Then I'm putting Mod Podge all over the front of it. And I did let this dry. It didn't show because I sped it up, but it did dry before we did this step. But I'm putting Mod Podge all over the frame, guys, the picture, and then we're going to put diamond dust. Because you usually don't, touch pictures that are in frames a lot. So I'm just sprinkling with my fingers the diamond dust all over it so it'll make a good shine when the light hits it. And then here it is all dried.